In this video, I'll show you how to set Peacock Watchlist and My Stuff. Step 1, log into Peacock, open the Peacock app or website and sign into your account. Step 2, browse shows or movies, navigate through categories or use the search feature to find the content you want to watch later. Step 3, add to watchlist or My Stuff. Click the plus My Stuff button or the plus icon on the show's page to add it to your watch list. Step 4, access your watch list. From the main menu or your profile icon, select My Stuff or Watch List to see the saved content. Step 5, organize and manage your watch list. Remove shows you've watched or no longer want to watch and reorder if the app allows for custom organization. Now I have some tips for using a watch list and My Stuff. Make use of the watch list to easily continue watching where you left off. Keep your watch list up to date to receive better personalized recommendations, and check for updates periodically as Peacock may add new features for watch list management. And that's how you set up your watch list on Peacock. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.